Google Fit versus Samsung Health. Both are available on majority of devices, including on iOS. So how do both differ? In this video, we will explore both the services. So let's get started. Starting with the features, Samsung Health is a clear winner. The app comes with steps, exercises, food, sleep, weight, water, and stress exercise options. You also get blood pressure, stress, blood glucose, and couple of other options, which you can record manually or connect to a device. On the other hand, Google Fit comes with steps, sleep tracking, exercises, weight, and a journal option. You also get blood pressure, which you can record manually, and a heart rate option, which can only be recorded by connecting to a third-party device. Let's talk about steps. Both use different algorithms to count steps. Both also count active time differently. Samsung Health counts all the walking time, fast or slow. Google Fit, contrarily, counts the fast-paced steps and adds to the active time. So, in Samsung Health, the data will always be higher than Google Fit. Moving on, Samsung Health also counts food, water, and sleep data. You can record your sleep to adjust the calorie count. The app automatically shows your sleeping time when you wake up in the morning, and you can simply save changes. Google Fit's sleep tracking is out of this world. It doesn't limit the recording. For example, a couple of days ago, I accidentally recorded 20 hours of sleep, and the app saved the data. With Samsung Health, you can only record 17 hours of sleep at max at a time. The next topic is about the programs both offer. Samsung Health has a Together feature to connect your app with your friends. This allows you to challenge your friends. You can join a world program where you will find thousands of users and their step data. It also shows your ranking and your steps and how to get to the top. The app also saves achievements, and you can find your achievements in the left menu. Anyway, against Samsung Health's challenge feature, we have points system on Google Fit. You get points by walking at a fast pace. The more you walk, run, or exercise, the points you get. The points are designed with the World Health Organization's help to make it easier to complete the required exercise every day. Let's talk about Google Fit's journal. Journal is like a record of your activities. From heart points to exercises to your weight, you will find everything sorted by time. Now let's go back to Samsung Health for a moment. The fitness tab is where you prepare and push yourself to do more. The tab comes with fitness, mindfulness, and women's health options. I don't know if the women's health option is for everyone or just for me. It should be men's health because I am a man. Oh well, technology works in mysterious ways. The final topic is third-party support. Both apps support quite many fitness and health-related applications and devices. You can see Google Fit's official page for supported apps and devices, while the accessories option in the left menu in Samsung Health shows you all the supported apps and devices. Of course, you can change the profile and user information in the app settings. So which one is for you? Well, I believe Samsung Health offers more features than Google Fit, and it supports majority of third-party applications. So if you don't have a specific application or device which Samsung Health does not support, I recommend checking the app out. While if you like a quick sign-up process and an easy-to-use step tracker application, then go with Google Fit. Anyway, that's all in this video. Thanks very much for watching Samsung Health versus Google Fit. I hope the video helped. Please let me know what you think of both in the comments down below, and subscribe and like the video if it helped. Thanks.